Alright, so I'm starting to get overrun by small devices that need to get charged every day. So I decided the best way to stay organized would be to try and invest in some sort of charging station. Today we're going to be looking at the Simicore charging station. And some of the things that initially attracted me to this charging station were the nice holders here, the fact that you can keep very large devices and smaller devices kind of organized. We have some nice cable management here. And on the back of the box here, you see that we're talking about the MCS-610S from Simicore. This is the silver model. It takes your standard household voltage. It outputs 5 volt DC, and it has a maximum output power of 50 watts at 10 amps. Each port can do 2.4 amps. And the major features that they're claiming would be the 10,000 milliamp output power, fast charging ports, the charging status indicator. As I understand it, these like acrylic plates sort of light up in blue to let you know the particular device that's being charged, as it works with any device, and there's safety features. And speaking of safety features, this Simicore charging station is ETL certified, and that's enough on the specs. Let's tear open this box and see what's inside. In the front fold of the box, we have the free 1-year warranty that you can register for. Tells you where to go for support, and then very simply, we have our charging station here with the acrylic divider panels. Again, the one I have is in a silver finish. Apparently it also comes in sort of like a dark or a space gray. Here's your on and off switch. And on the back, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 smart ports and the input port for your power. We have rubberized feet on the bottom, which is nice. And again, we have the same certifications, including the ETL badge. And everything has nice plastic protectors on these dividers to keep things fresh and scratch-free. Alright, so there we have it. Let's go get some devices and see how things look. And in the lower compartment of the box, we have all of our cables. Let's take those out, along with a user manual. Comes with 3 Apple Lightning cables, 3 micro USB cables, and 1 USB Type-C cable. Bundled together here, we have all of our charging cables. I know online there was some debate about what kind of cables you're getting. Are you getting long ones or short ones? These appear to be nice and short, which works for my aim because I'm trying to keep clutter down, and I think these short cables will help with that. So here's our 3 lightning cables, here's our USB-C, and our other USB cables here. So all in all, we're on a good start. Alright, so now in the Simicore charging base, I've placed an iPad 11 Pro, an iPad 10, an iPhone 8, and an iPhone XS. So to start off, we're going to take this USB to USB-C charging cable that Simicore supplied and attach it to the iPad Pro. And now we're going to take the Simicore included USB to Lightning cable and attach that to the iPad 10. And now we'll take the remaining USB to Lightning cables and attach that to the iPhone 8 and the iPhone XS. Alright, so now we just need to take the power cord and plug that in. And now we'll plug the Simicore charging base into AC power. So the iPhones and the 10-inch iPad just made their charging noises, and the acrylic panels on the charging base just lit up in blue. The only thing I'm a little bit concerned about so far is the full-size iPad Pro did not light up. So I'm not sure if this charging base can support that. I'm going to cut the lights off so you can get a better view of the cool blue panels here. So they do give off a pretty cool glow. In real life, it's less purple, more blue. And now to see what's going on here with the iPad Pro. So according to the lightning bolt indication on the iPad Pro, we are getting power. So this back panel has some play and it's being very finicky. A couple times on and off camera, it's come on briefly and then shut off. And see, there it goes again, it's turning on. And then it goes off again. So I'm not sure if it's just too much power. So let's try hooking up another device to see if that's the problem. If I plug the iPad 10 into that port, I wonder what happens. It goes on. So I think the lesson here is that the iPad Pro pulls too many amps on the USB port. So I would say just stick to the wall charger for your iPad Pro and you should be fine. So overall, I'd say that this Simicore model MCS-610S charging station should do a good job keeping your various iPhones and iPads all charged up and in the same place every day. So if you find yourself in a similar situation as myself, and you're being overrun by phones and tablets and various other USB charged devices, this Simicore charging station, model MCS-610S, should do a good job keeping the clutter nice and organized and keeping all your devices nicely charged. And if you found this review helpful, please do me a favor, click on the like button down at the bottom there, and consider subscribing to my channel as well for more great tech reviews. Thanks for watching.